Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to create a order of operations formula. It's going to be a complex formula. It's kind of like an intro into Microsoft Excel complex formulas. It's going to be real simple. I'm going to give you the quick and dirty way. You don't have to go through all these different steps. So, order of operations cheat sheet here, just in case you need it. Go ahead and go through that, glance that over real quickly. I also got some common spreadsheet programs that are available out there. Most are free, and I'm going to include some download links down in the description below. That way you can go ahead and test them out if you'd like. Alright, let's go ahead and go over to our table here. We got 4 different values here, and we got some different quantities that we purchased them in. We also have some sales tags that are already pre-populated. So in this total due column, we want to find out how much we need to pay in order to check out. So it's easy to go ahead and create a complex formula for this. So we're going to go ahead and start by clicking the equal sign on your keyboard. You're going to add some parentheses. You're going to point and click to our unit cost, and we're going to hit that asterisk button for the multiplication symbol, and we're going to do our quantity as well. I'm going to close that in, and since we want to get the sales tax, we want to go ahead and multiply times the sales tax. And then we're not done there, because now we've already, by that formula alone, we've gotten what the sales tax is of the unit cost. So now we want to go ahead and add a plus sign. We're going to go ahead and add more parentheses, and we're going to go ahead and point and click to the unit cost, and we're going to go ahead and multiply that times the quantity. Close the bracket in. We're going to go ahead and hit enter. It's going to be $12.84. Now, it's an easy way. You can go ahead and point and click, or you can type in each cell reference. Now, we're going to go ahead and just click in the fill handle here. You see, double click that, and it'll fill in all your formulas. So, that's it. That's all it is to it. It's pretty quick. We can click here in the formula bar, and all the different shaded areas is essentially the cell references that you are using in your operation. That's all it is to it, guys. Leave a like.